Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is my beautiful kitty cat Jade. Pretty girl. Pretty girl. You doing good? Jade? Jade, don't try and claw the camera. But today we're going to be doing some Jade shenanigans, if you can tell. Jade, stop. First off, we got this toy here for her. It's a ball in a circle. Jade loves this thing to bits, so I'm just gonna... Here you go, Jade. I forgot to give you your treat, didn't I? Okay, let's go get your treat. Treats. Great for this. We change up the treats because we have this thing filled with treats. Let's get her one, okay? 2 maybe? I don't know, she likes a lot of them. Just frickin'... Jade, you doing okay over there? By the thing of your paw, I'm gonna say no, and you want your treats. Greedy little cat. She'll eat these up in a heartbeat. So you see, these are chicken? Yeah, chicken. She loves these things. Got chips and stuff here. But mostly we're going to be focusing on my beautiful kitty princess, Jade. Actually, my grandmother's kitty princess, but I love her. And then there's that. Don't know where that came from, but okay. Well, first off, let's do some stereotype things with a cat, like... Pretty sure it's over here. Yes, it is. The magical thing of a laser pointer. Well, let's get ready for some shenanigans. She'll do this thing when it's close to her, while she just slap it around. When it... Get it over there. Yeah, this is fun sometimes. Sometimes she'll just chase it around. Sometimes she won't. But most of the time, she does. Anywho, time for Jade as a documentary. And here we have the Jada Raptor. I'm gonna call her now. Jada Raptor. In her natural habitat. And also, that picture that thing right there is really cool. But not as cool as that right there. Let me just let you get a better look at it. I'm pretty sure it's a painting of an atom. Jade, would you like to tell me what you think of it? She thinks of nothing, by the way. She's just really, really quiet and stupid sometimes. You have to agree with that, right, Jade? Jade. Jade! Don't ignore me. Don't ignore me. Don't ignore me. I said don't ignore me! Anyway, we can do something simple. Oh yeah, so Jade has a small fetish for carpets. That right there is one of the carpets that go on my little staircase there. She tore that one up when we first got her. She is very violent towards that thing and protects it. But as soon as you come up to it, let me just show you what happens. Hey Jade, just sprawl out. Just gonna... She'll walk away, because she's very bad at protecting. She'll rub her face against anything that lives. And she plays with bugs that get inside her house, but... Well, anywho. That is our cat Jade, and I think this is enough footage.